This is a quick explainer video showing you how to install the Mac version of ParticiPoll. Now, hopefully at this point you're going to be registered with ParticiPoll and be logged into the website at participoll.com. If that's the case, you should see a download link in the top header, and when clicking it you should go to a page similar to below. Installing this add-in is completely safe and quite easy to do, so hopefully we shouldn't have any issues. You also need to make sure that you've got PowerPoint Office 2016 installed, because if it's before that, such as 2011, we don't support that, unfortunately. So at this point, what we want to do is we want to go and click on Download for Mac, and what that will do is it will start our download and take us to the installation instructions, where hopefully you should see this video here. Using Safari or any other browser by default setup on a Mac, your file should be saved into the downloads directory. If you've got it asking you where to save, then save it into a secure location where it's not going to get deleted. Now if we go to our downloads directory, you should see a PPAM file. Now if you're downloading with Chrome or Firefox, etc., it might actually just download it as a .zip file. Safari actually automatically unzips it for us. So if you do see a .zip file, double click this and then it should unzip, and then you should see the .ppam file. Don't double click the ppam file, because if you do, then it may try and launch in a default program on the Mac, such as TextEdit, and if this is the case, it's not going to work. If you have got it downloaded to your downloads directory, you probably want to store it in some safer location so that it doesn't get deleted later, because PowerPoint is actually going to reference this file, so it needs to know where it is at all times. So go and move that to your Documents folder or somewhere else safe on your computer. I'm going to go ahead and just create a new folder called Don't Delete. I'm going to move it in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to launch Microsoft PowerPoint, and when it's loaded we're going to go to Tools, PowerPoint Add-ins, click on the plus symbol, and I'm going to navigate to my PPAM file, and I'm going to click Open. At this point it might ask you to enable macros. At this point you want to, so let's enable the macros, and we want to turn that off. Okay, so now hopefully ParticiPoll should be enabled. So here we go, I've gone into a new presentation and I can see that I've got my ParticiPoll tab along my ribbon, so we're now ready to go. At this point, if you have any problems with the installation, please do check our FAQ page for any commonly asked questions, or go and contact us on the contact page and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Now that you're ready to start polling, you can go to the how-to guide down at the bottom of the page, and this will help you get started.